Hello everyone, myself Monisha Charya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the topic conversion for marriage, Supreme Court judgment. Many people convert their religion in order to just get married again. In case of Salah Mughal versus Union of India in 1995, this case had given the landmark judgment. So we will discuss about the fact of the cases. One of the Hindu man who converted himself in order to marry more women. Sarla Mughal is president of NGO Kalyani. The main motive or aim of her NGO is to protect the women's rights and to help the women in development. And during that time period, many people approached to the Supreme Court and filed the petition regarding this conversion for marriage issue, as they claimed that they were getting married in order to marry more women, and Salah Mughal was against the practice of conversion of marriage. The question raised was, why were Hindu men converting themselves in order to marry other women or more women? As in Hindu rituals and law practicing, the bigamy, or you can say as in Hindu rituals and law practicing the bigamy, when there is a living spouse and they have not given divorce, is considered as invalid and crime too. Before independence, bigamy was not a crime, but after the post-independence era, bigamy was banned in Hinduism. But the part of the society or religion where the bigamy was still practiced was in Muslim religion. Hindu Marriage Act 1955 put certain conditions under Section 5 for marriage. A marriage may be solemnized between any two Hindus if the following conditions are fulfilled. Namely, neither party has a spouse living at the time of the marriage. At the time of marriage, neither party is incapable of giving a valid consent to it in consequences of unsound of mind, or though capable of giving valid consent has been suffering from mental disorder of such a kind or to such an extent as to be unfit for marriage and the procreation of children, or has been subject to recurrent attack of insanity. The bridegroom has completed the age of 21 year and the bride the age of 18 year at the time of the marriage. The parties are not within the degree of prohibited relationship unless the custom or usage governing each of them permits of a marriage between the two. The parties are not subpoenas of each other unless the custom or uses governing each of them permit of a marriage between the two. And Section 17 provides the punishment for bigamy in accordance with Section 494 and 495 of IPC. The Section 494 does not apply to Muslim because they have their own Section 2 in the Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act 1937. This section empowers the Muslim that they can marry more than one, and in today's time they can marry till 4 wives. So Supreme Court gave the judgment and stated that marriage under this act cannot be dissolved except only on ground mentioned under Section 13 of the same act. Until this is done, neither can married. Second marriage should be considered as illegal. Conversion to Islam should be considered as illegal. Converting to Islam and marrying again does not dissolve the previous marriage under the act, but it will be held as ground for dissolution of marriage, or for in the basis of that ground of bigamy you can take divorce. The court mentioned that necessity of uniform civil code as to prevent India from trespassing other personal laws is also necessary to save these type of practices, or you can say to avoid these type of practices, the uniform civil code is very necessary. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such topics, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.